This is FMSS9, our beautifully engineered, recently introduced Forged Motorsport short shifter for Renault Sport Clio 3, 197 and 200 models. In fact, it'll actually fit a number of vehicles that are equipped with the TL4 Renault transmission. It takes about 1.5 hours to fit for a recreational mechanic, and you can find the full fitting instructions by following the link in the bio. Here's a bit of footage from our development process, just to give you a little bit of an idea of what it entails. It's an amazing product and truly enhances the driving experience of the Clio 3 Renault Sport. It's fully adjustable and can reduce shift sway by up to 32%. If you'd like more information, or as I say, if you want more information on how to fit the product, please follow the link in the bio. Amongst us, we have a huge passion for Renault Sport cars, so it's really exciting to be able to be providing more products for this platform. Once again, please like the video and subscribe to keep up to date with the latest news from Forged Motorsport.